Wearproclaim.com, the official website of the brand Proclaim, appears to be a legitimate online clothing store rather than a scam, though it's important to understand what you're getting into. Proclaim is a small, sustainable fashion label based in the US, known for producing inclusive nude-toned basics like bras, underwear, and loungewear in a variety of skin tones. They emphasize ethical manufacturing and environmentally friendly materials such as tencel and recycled polyester. The brand has received recognition on platforms like Good On You, where it's rated relatively well for its sustainability and labor transparency efforts. Customer reviews on independent sites such as Thing Testing generally reflect positive feedback, with many users praising the comfort, soft materials, and inclusive color range. However, like many smaller brands, Proclaim is not without some drawbacks. A number of users have noted issues with sizing inconsistencies, garment durability over time, such as pilling or elastic shifting, and limited stock or restock delays. The site itself is clean, professionally designed, and provides detailed information about products, sizing, and materials, which is typically a good sign. Still, some online trust check tools point out the absence of certain verification signals like a fully transparent business address or corporate registration info, which may be due to its small business status rather than malicious intent. Overall, Wearproclaim.com seems to be a real and mission-driven clothing store focused on ethical production and body inclusivity. It's not a scam, but as with any boutique brand, especially those emphasizing sustainability, expectations around durability, fit, and pricing should be realistic. If you're unsure, starting with a smaller order to test fit and quality could be a smart approach. Alright, that wraps up my review of Wearproclaim.com. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on fashion brands, online shopping, and everything in between. Have you tried Proclaim's clothing before? Drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear if it matched up with what I found. And remember, just because a site looks good doesn't always mean the experience will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.